favorite Dropout, back at it again. I know it's been a minute since I've been on the charts, since I've been posting. I've been kind of doing a little bit of reels, kind of whatnot, but I've been taking a real good like mental health just break. Like I've been figuring out like my strategies on trading, um, just a lot of lifestyle things. So I haven't been posting, but guess what? I'm back in the game. I'm ready to post for you guys, and I hope you guys are ready to watch. So I know we got some trading content out first. I know it's a little boring, but I hope you guys can learn something. And let's hop into these two trades I took today. Um, for the first trade, this was in the first macro. Okay, so I only trade in the golden zone, which is 9:45 to 10:15, and 10:45 to 11:15. Um, so first trade here. Let's see. We had a sweep of buy side liquidity. Okay, there was a 15-minute high over here. I'm not gonna zone out so you guys can see it, but just trust me. It was a 15-minute high. Came over. We displaced downwards. Had a market structure shift right here. A little market structure shift. We had it on Nasdaq and the correlating pair ES right here. We had a fair value gap formed on both, and that's really all I need for my entry. So came back up, entered into the trade, stop loss at the high, and TP was based off this fair value gap here. So I wanted us to fill this huge elongated candle here all the way down to this fair value gap, and this is what happened. We came up, came down, took out this swing low right here, if you guys can see that little swing low right there, and from there I trailed my stop to here. Okay, and we came down, and then we came all the way up, liquidated me right here. I was a little liquidity, right? So I got stopped out right here, and then boom, straight down to my TP zone that I wanted to hit right here. I have my first TP based off the halfway point of my take profit, so my break even and my TP1 would have been at this line right here, but we never got to hit that because we got stopped out. So that was the first trade. Let me get this out of the way now. And second trade. Okay, this is the second macro. We had a sweep. This was the 15-minute high. We swept this. Okay, coming into the macro, we swept that high, and then we kind of chopped around for a little bit, and then at 11:05 we had displacement down, market structure shift, fair value gap formed on ES and Nasdaq. On ES though, you can see right here, literally came down and stopped at the literal same exact tick. Okay, I didn't see this until I was in the trade, but for a valid market structure shift, that's, you got to go below it. Okay, if it was above it, it would have just been invalid 100%. Since it landed kind of on it, I'm on the fence. Okay, if we're looking textbook wise, that's a market structure. That's not a market structure shift. But if we're literally bleeding, we had a liquidity sweep. I'm not saying go against your rules, but in this case, I would count this as valid. Okay, as you can see, it freaking shat. Okay, but yeah, no, definitely did not see that at the time. I would probably not taken the trade if I saw that, but yeah. So came in, got our entry at the fair value gap, stop at this top of this wick on this fair value gap here, and it was also tied with this breaker block right here. Boom, breaker block, and from there came down, break even here, TP1 or TP2 here, TP1, break even here, and yeah, that's the trade that made back for the L on this trade, slight L on this trade. And yeah, guys, that's really it for today. I got funded off this trade, so praise the Lord. And yeah, let's hope for more days like this. Going to be posting more lifestyle, soon to be vlogging in like a couple months probably. Some lifestyle, some psychology, mindset videos, and yeah. So stay tuned for those guys. I'm gonna be way more active. So tune in. Leave a like button. Leave a comment. I love that. I love that. Subscribe. Turn on those notifications. I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Peace.